Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how I style my hair with Eco Styler Gel. Now this video was previously recorded back in April, 3 months since the big chop. And since then, when it comes to maintenance, growth, I've been keeping my hair routine very simple. Simple moisturizing routine, simple products, simple everything. If you haven't checked out my previous video on my moisturizing routine, check that out. So basically when I do any type of styling, wash and goes, I like to do it on freshly washed hair. And if I need to, I spritz my hair with warm water. I add my leave-in, which is usually Kinky Curly, my oil, and then I use my cream. And once I apply all those, I work it in. I'm using my shampoo brush here today just to kind of work everything into my hair, massage that in, and then I begin. And for today's gel, I'm using EcoStyle Olive Oil Gel. So when I start, I just apply a generous amount of gel to my hair. I work it in, I make my part, and then I start styling my hair. So to kind of help form the curls, I'm using my Denman brush. As I'm forming the curls with the brush, if I need more water, I'll add more water. If I need more product, I'll add more product. And then I just repeat the process until I get my desired look. And as you can see here, I'm just fixing up my edges just so I can finish off the style, and that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you all for your support. Thank you for subscribing. If you have any comments or questions, leave them down below. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys very soon. Bye.